What a fine day it is, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video, I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. Now, for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is the world's top crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And a lot of people use it, that's why it's secure. And for those people who do not know Trust Wallet is a wallet where you guys can store your crypto. Since crypto is digital, you guys can't store it in your normal physical wallet. It's impossible. So to store your digital assets like crypto, you need digital wallet. And Trust Wallet is one of that. So let me show you guys how you guys can store your BNB, or in another word, any crypto. So in this video, I will show you guys how you guys can transfer BNB, but you can apply the same feature for transferring any other crypto. Just select other crypto instead of BNB on that, all right? So I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And let's jump right into the video, shall we? First step, you want to open your Trust Wallet over here and choose the crypto which you're transferring. So for this video, I'm going to go for BNB. So I'm going to click on BNB over here and then click on where it says copy. Now, once I copy the wallet address of BNB, I'm going to go back to Binance.com and log in into my account and go on versus wallet and go on versus overview. Now remember, since I copied the wallet address of BNB, I can only send BNB to that address. If you send any other crypto instead of BNB on that address, it's going to be lost. So just keep that in mind, all right? You're over here, click on withdraw and then choose BNB over here. Since we copied the wallet address of BNB, you want to paste the address which you copied over here and then enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer, and then click on withdraw. Then your BNB will be transferred from Binance to Trust Wallet. Now over here, you can choose whichever crypto you want. If you guys want to, use it for any other crypto. So let's say for Bitcoin, I'm going to choose Bitcoin and paste the wallet address of Bitcoin over here. And I can get the wallet address of Bitcoin from Trust Wallet as well. All right. So hope you guys were able to understand. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial. See you guys in a future video. Bye-bye.